his vantage point on 14th Street. And again, we're talking about a plane crash into the World Trade Center. Kai, what did you see and what can you see now?
Well, I saw the plane come overhead. I happened to be looking south towards the World Trade Center. There's now another explosion occurring right at this moment in the other building.
There's no doorway. Scott, let's get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Stay together. Let me know what's going on. Second plane is with motherfuckers. Yeah. There's go.
We knew at that moment that our problem just doubled in size. So at that point, we met in a football huddle. And Deputy Chief, the Division Chief, Pete Hayden, gave us an order. Half of us would stay in the North Tower. The other half would proceed to the South Tower.
Then it was my turn. It was my turn to go stand in front of Chief Hayden. When I stepped out of the building, it was absolute chaos at this time. People trying to go out, firemen trying to come in. And I look up, and there were hundreds of people hanging onto the building. That's one of the things that sticks with me every day.
Look, another man. Oh, God Almighty. Oh, God Almighty. Oh, God Almighty. Oh, God.
When we heard the crashing sound, it was something that we never heard before. But we knew exactly what it was every time it happened. Another life being lost.